Anchor Group is an asset management business founded by Peter Armitage. Market cap here 1.1 billion rand, trading on a PE of 9.5, dividend yield 5.7%.
Look at that share
This was
price.
the new hot boy on the block, and we haven't chatted about him.
So 2 years
for a long
ago it
time.
was absolutely motoring, and since then it's done but not great from a share price point of view, although the business itself has continued to aggregate lots of assets, including through acquisition of other businesses.
So where to from here?
See, it's a tough one. So, again, it's all the hype, all the positive press, and then, people start to lose interest. And the retail investor, which obviously plays a very, very big role, people like you and me in the streets that decide to punt something, they're disinterested now. And again, it's a tough market. The stock has been impacted by the sentiment towards it. But, Peter and his team, they've done a lot. They've introduced a lot of new businesses to the company. I mean, Capricorn Investments taken a little bit of a knock. I mean, 2016 wasn't a good year for their funds. 2015 was a great year. They are active in the sense that they just didn't get the market right. They didn't have resources in 2016. Resources flew in 2016, so they underperformed the market. Their funds don't look too great, so people start to lose interest. But it is tempting at this valuation. I've seen a lot of the directors buying shares at about 7 Rand, 59 Rand. They're probably kicking themselves now that the share price is even lower, but it does potentially offer value. The difficulty is it's still a very small business, and it is susceptible to, like I said, the market and the lack of growth in their assets under management and the funds that they get in. So it will be tricky. Astoria, which is kind of a sidelines startup that they did with regards to offshore, again, it's not really showing the performance that people want. So I think people desperately want to look for performance out of their funds, Astoria and so on, and maybe take an interest in the actual company itself.
You got to call it. We're running out of time.
I'm going to say not hot. Right
Not
now,
hot.
it's got potential for underperformance, and then share price could, battle from here. I don't think you need to be in a rush to buy it.
Valuation is compelling, but the risk, in my opinion, is too high, so I would not commit funds to the company at these levels.
Well, there we go.
Not hot. There we go.
Not hot. There we go. Definitive not hot. Let's